Impilo ithanda ukuba nzima ke emndenini kaDifa, emndenini wakophakathwayo, njengoba ke uMamzobe eminze emanzini wangatholakala. Ngazuthi ke guys uMvelase ke usebenza ngokukhulu kuyikhandla to prove ukuthi ngempela unguNkulunkulu wamaJudiya. Siyambona ke futhi nalapha na guys ukukhulekana ukuthi uzama ukumbuyisa ke ebandleni ke lasekhaya. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 27th to the 31st of May 2024 on Monday, as the harrowing news of Mamzobe being swallowed by the relentless water reaches Siphamandla. His impassive demeanor cast a shadow of bewilderment on Tuesdays. Fuxia pleads with uSiphamandla to do the right thing. The Gumedes fears the worst, and Ndlovu is on the tender hooks over the baptism on Wednesday. Mamzobe thanks Siphamandla, but he cast a lifetime curse on her. Nomkhosi wishes Khulekani well on his trip, and Menga shows up at the Gumede house. Kanjani manje guys, uMenga usefuna nike ka Gumede bakithi, uzofuna bani on Thursday? Nobuntu decide to go against her better judgment. Mthembu appears to Khulekani again as she preparing for his international conference. Ndlovu is not looking forward to the church tomorrow. Yabona Ndlovu guys uzobona ukuthi uMvelase akadlali ngempela, naye kufanele ukuthi alungise ke indlela zakhe on Friday. Khulekani prepares for his trip to America when calamity strikes. Unobuntu falls for Menga's charm. Guys, I give up ngendaba kaNobuntu. We give up guys. Dala sizama ukumbonisa ukuthi akaphume kuMenga, but hayi cha, engathi kukhulu lokho akuboneke kuMenga, usazoqhubeka guys adlale ngaye. But ke uMamzobe returns to church as a changed person. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.